Well, Expert Coatings and Graphics started technically in 2014. We started off in San Bernardino, but actually I'm a second generation contract manufacturer. And so my folks started a company about 30 years ago, and Expert Coatings and Graphics is modeled after the original company. And then we moved to Anaheim in 2017. I love that our business moved to Anaheim in 2017. We partnered with the city of Anaheim, and they were so fantastic and helped us actually get our location that we currently operate from. And then we've expanded since we first started, so now we have double the size than when we first started, and Anaheim was very instrumental in that. The city of Anaheim has this wonderful department that helps business development in the city, and so actually it's a wonderful story, but my city council person, Steve Fessel, who is the council person for our district, he put me in contact with Jessica Gonzalez and the wonderful staff in new business development, and they actually asked me what was the criteria for a building that I required, and they created this amazing matrix of addresses, and we started doing our exploration, and then we settled on this place, which is wonderful. We're surrounded by all the freeways, so it's just a fantastic location to be operating from. Well, Expert Coatings and Graphics is kind of on the fast track right now in growth, and it's been very exciting, particularly in the last 2 years since we moved to Anaheim. And so when we started here in November of 17, we had about 15 employees. And now, in the beginning of 2020, we have 31 employees, and we've actually doubled our facility, so we just added another 10,000 square feet for operations and warehousing and distribution. So we're really in a very exciting time in our company history, and moving forward, we're very excited about the future. I am so proud of my crew. We have the most amazing crew, and they really put a lot of love into the parts that we work on. But I think a core mission for our company really is service and loving in our community. And we're so blessed that we have so many opportunities here in our community in Anaheim to serve. And so one of our special projects that we're very much in love with is the Salvation Army, which is down the street from us. And we do hire graduates from the Salvation Adults Rehabilitation Center. Our employees are very much in touch with the fact that we love serving, we love working, we love what we do for a living, but this is just a part of us, and there's something a lot bigger that we're called to do. And so that really is the thing that makes our hearts sing, is being able to serve in our community.